What's up guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can put the end screen, or you can use that iCard. In today's video I'll be teaching you how you can insert that into any video. First of all, you just need to go to this manage videos, and after this you just have to click on this pen icon of the video, in which you need to insert that iCard and your end screen. And you just have to go and click on this end screen, and here it's gonna show you the types, like which kind of end screen do you want. If you want uh, like two videos and one subscribe button, or one video and one subscribe button, one playlist, one subscribe button, and one video, one playlist, or two videos, one playlist, one subscribe, however you want. I'm just gonna I'll just choose the okay, I'll just choose this thing, subscribe and best for viewer, the video which is best for viewer, and most recent uploaded video. And after this you just have to click on save, and it's ready now. Now if I just show the preview, let me just go. Okay, I'll show you that just in a bit. Now let's use this cards. So this is the iCard. So what you have to do is you want to link a video or a playlist or a channel, whichever you want. I'm just gonna link a video at the starting of the video. Let's check. I'll just put unboxing the headphones at the starting. It's gonna come like this. So yeah, if you click on save, it's gonna be saved. All right. Okay, so now I'll show you the final thing of the video. Okay, so I'm in the end of the video in which I had put the end screen. As you can see, it's gonna look like this. So yes guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like this. Yeah, you will see this like button, right? Just click on that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.